The Downeast Salmon Federation has stocked Atlantic salmon Parr, raised in the Gray Hatchery, into the East Machias since 2012. The goal of this naturalized conservation hatchery is to create a sustainable salmon population. The wild Atlantic salmon raised at the Gray Hatchery are genetically unique to the East Machias River. Genetic uniqueness is the result of thousands of years of adaptation in the river. This has allowed salmon to adapt to their surroundings over time. The streamside Gray Hatchery utilizes naturalized rearing techniques to create a salmon that is as wild as possible in a hatchery setting. This allows those fish to perform like wild Atlantic salmon in the rivers and eventually the ocean. After years of Parr stocking, the East Machias River has a higher estimated smolt population than the neighboring Narraguegas River. Every Parr from the Gray Hatchery has an adipose fin clip. This allows biologists to differentiate between wild salmon and salmon stocked by the Gray Parr project in future field assessments. Parr are distributed throughout the East Machias watershed in stocking trucks borrowed by our partner, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. The number of salmon stocked out is estimated by weight. Once arriving at the stocking site, salmon are netted out of the tank into the 5-gallon pails. They are then carried down to the river by hand and then released. East Machias River watershed is 251 square miles. Parr are stocked throughout the East Machias River in mapped salmon rearing habitat.